Good morning, young Groms. We actually have a Zoom meeting in 2 hours, but I'm gonna shoot down to the beach, do the Zoom down there, and try to get a surf session in beforehand. Keep talking about how I'm like done with med school, and I'm pretty much done. Like this class I'm in right now, I've heard some people like you have to pass it, but it's actually participatory. And yeah, we have 2 Zoom meetings today for like a total of 4 hours, which during 4th year, that sounds like so much work. It's been a crazy spring, and I always knew how much work editing takes, but I underestimated how much work the upload process takes. Like being on the road and not getting good Wi-Fi. I guess I always had the luxury of just uploading from my house and stuff like that, but when you're on the road and like you have to like watch your computer too and like keep it on, and like I would say there's been more effort editing and uploading than there has been like surfing, which is good. Like this is the life I want, so we're working super hard to make it happen. But yeah, I'm so happy to be back home, and it's kind of like summer. I mean, after spending all that time in Iceland, it's April here in New York, and it is like so nice out. We're getting pumped up right now. I have a Zoom meeting in about 54 minutes. I'm in my wetsuit. It's April, we're wearing a 4-3. I actually wore this one day in Morocco, and it's got a bunch of dust and dirt on it from Anchor Point, so hopefully that brings a good juju for this session. And yeah, just gonna go out there, get a few waves. It actually looks super fun. Let's do this. Yeah, I kind of surfed longer than I should have and got here a little late, so session short and ran into my Zoom meeting. I just sat for 2 hours in a wetsuit in the front of my car taking the Zoom meeting, and my friends were like sending screenshots of me being like, bro, are you in a scuba suit? But yeah, that was just heavy sitting in a wetsuit that long. Yeah, I totally messed up my schedule. Turns out I thought I had an hour on and then an hour off and then another hour on, but it's actually 3 hours on. So I had 2 hours straight. I have like 10 minutes off right now and then another hour. So and my computer died. I don't have my charger. So now I'm gonna do it from my phone right now and see what happens. It's pretty sick going for a run on the beach. There's a few people out here enjoying the beach day, but it's like 70 degrees or something. We're stoked summer's here. And that means that Southern Hemi winter is turning on, so stay tuned.
Official came out at MMC, saw some patients in the morning. Now we're here to surf. Like, what more can you ask for? Taking care of folks.
Dude.
Got some breeze right here.
That's sad.
This is the Sunday, straight out the hospital.
No
We
way.
had it shaped right in the basement of Mercy Hospital, baby. So as you can see with my scrubs and my medical tools, we were busy this morning with this guy.
Dude, this thing is beautiful.
Yeah, I love it.
Wow. All right, let's see how she does in the water. It's gonna be the first time I've surfed the mini Simmons in like over 2 months. So you guys know this is like an OG board. I started med school with it and it's carried me through, and there's some sections, but it's pretty mushy. So I think this is gonna be the gem for today. super fun session. Got to surf with Mo. That was epic. We also met up with Alex. Yeah, saw all the boys. Shane actually got some clips, some shots. Hopefully you guys saw them. But yeah, that was so fun. And the mini Simmons felt so good. Despite not having surfed the mini Simmons in like 2 months, it felt like super connected with the board. And yeah, that was just epic. So I got to zoom home right now because we have a Zoom at 4 p.m. So we're stoked, and we'll see you on the next swell.